Bitwise is launching an exchange-traded fund that tracks Hyperliquid's native HYPE token, with the ticker BHYP set to debut on May 15 on the New York Stock Exchange. This will be the first ETF to use an in-house staking infrastructure for HYPE, a token that's gaining traction in the crypto space. The fund is being positioned as a low-cost and convenient way for investors to gain exposure to Hyperliquid's platform and its native token. Bitwise believes Hyperliquid is uniquely positioned to benefit from the ongoing shift of capital markets onto blockchain infrastructure. DeFi Llama data shows that Hyperliquid currently holds about 60% of global on-chain perpetual DEX open interest, with the platform capable of processing up to 200,000 orders per second. This performance, combined with a strong reliability track record, has helped Hyperliquid establish itself as a major player in the decentralized derivatives market. Bitwise's chief investment officer, Matt Haugen, highlighted the platform's relevance during a period of geopolitical instability earlier. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. This year, when traditional markets were closed and traders turned to on-chain platforms for price discovery, HYPE itself has grown significantly since its launch 2 years ago, now ranking as the 10th largest crypto asset with a market cap of over $11 billion. The token's design is such that rising trading activity on Hyperliquid directly benefits HYPE holders, translating into historically strong returns. Bitwise's prospectus reveals that BHYP carries a 0.34% sponsor fee, which the firm plans to waive. This could make the fund more attractive to investors seeking exposure to HYPE without incurring high costs. Galaxy's head of DeFi, Mark Antonio, noted the move, saying, "Damn, Matt Haugen and Bitwise are cooking." The launch of BHYP could signal a broader shift in how institutional investors approach DeFi and on-chain trading platforms. As more capital flows into decentralized markets, assets like HYPE may see increased demand. The performance of the HYPE token is closely tied to the volume and activity on Hyperliquid, meaning that any sustained growth in the platform's usage could drive further token appreciation. However, the success of BHYP will depend on how well Bitwise can attract investors and whether the market continues to favor on-chain trading over traditional exchanges. The fund's listing on the NYSE could help bridge the gap between traditional and decentralized finance, potentially drawing in a wider investor base. Bitwise's use of in-house staking infrastructure for HYPE is a novel approach that could set a precedent for others. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. ETFs in the crypto space. If successful, it may encourage other asset managers to explore similar structures for other tokens. The next signal to watch will be how the BHYP ETF performs in its first few weeks of trading. If the fund attracts significant assets under management, it could reinforce the growing trend of institutional adoption of DeFi native tokens. Conversely, if investor interest is lukewarm, it may suggest that the market is still cautious about on-chain trading platforms as investment vehicles.